Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's nail art is requested by LizWho. I think I've done a typical marble nails in the past, that's why I'm doing a rose quartz marble nails for today. First thing that I'm doing is applying a peel-off base coat. After letting it dry, I'm applying another. Then I'm applying a sheer pink nail polish, and this will be my base for today. After letting it dry, I'm using a thin long brush to apply white random squiggly lines. Then after that, I'm applying another layer of a sheer pink nail polish. After letting it dry, I'm applying a few more white lines. Then I'm applying another layer of sheer pink nail polish. After all of that, I applied top coat. And there you guys have it. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch more videos only here on my channel. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!